Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. Kishispirit iMakeup, here to do another video for you. This video will be my first impression of the Vision Cream Cover and Hydrating Prism FX Lotion by Danessa Myricks Beauty. If you want to see how I rate this foundation, just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Let's get started!
This is similar to the MAC Strobe Cream, like as far as color goes, but the formula is, I don't know, a lot more luminous. I like it. It a lot. Look at my nose. Beautiful. And it has a fragrance, so I hope it doesn't break me out. Because sometimes things with fragrances break me out, honey. Excuse my boys in the background. They're playing together, that's all I care about. I feel like I have more on that side, so let me add a little bit more. And I got all this, but you really just need like a drop, because that's all I put on here is like a drop of this stuff, and let's just say a little bit goes a long way. Some concoction over here. I'm using my Josue beauty oil drops. Oh, my battery's about to die. And I'll be using, I've got some samples because I didn't know what shade I would be, so I got some samples of Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover, and this is the shade W5, and I also got the shade N9 to shape my face, like to contour basically. So I put W5 on a little palette with some beauty oil, and I'm just going to mix it together because her foundations are very concentrated, so a little goes a long way, which I'll see. So I'm just going to put this left over, and then anytime you use like a tool or whatever, make sure you sanitize it before you put it on your face. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush to apply the foundation. So I'm going to take this fluffy foundation brush by Luxie Beauty, I think that's what their brand is called. It's this fluffy brush, and then I'm going to just start to buff this out on my face. See how concentrated it is and how it just kind of covered up that whole little. It's beautiful. I am going to do this until my, I'm just going to start in the middle of my face, per the use. And like, she just kind of buffs it into the skin, like so. See? I'm just putting this on the center of my face. Now in my mirror, this looks like it's actually the correct shade, but a little orange maybe, a little more orange than I am, because I'm a little neutral. And buff it in real nice, like so. And she used a fluffy brush, so I'm using a fluffy brush. Keep buffing that in. Just keep buffing it in.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
making my contour now with the shade N9 and my Josue Beauty Oil. I'm just gonna put this. I don't even know if this is really gonna be like a contour shade on me, but I mean it's dark. Shall see. Take this little brush here, dip it in the product, and I can't tell if it's darker, but just gonna go. Oh yeah, I see it a little bit more now. So I'm just gonna place this on the outer parts of my face and just blend, blend, blend. I don't think I'm getting makeup on my earring. On my little hairy chin. I don't really have to go all the way down, just right underneath this contour here. That's what I'm trying to do. So the key to these looks is just blend, blend, blend. So you see how I'm just adding a little bit of definition back into my face? I just love it when my kids play together. It just makes me so happy. You hear them? You hear them? Okay, so I'm just pushing this into my cheek because I just kind of want, I do want my face to look thinner. I gained a little bit of weight. Head there, lower forehead, make it look a little bit more round. Center. And then I'm just gonna blend, 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 blend. Thing that I have going. Let's make sure we're blended, and we're blending. Okay. I'm gonna mix my Fenty Beauty in the shade 370 in with this color that I've already created. I've never mixed in this Fenty concealer with this oil before, so we shall see how it works. I'm gonna use my fingers to so smooth when you do it, mix it with the oil. Okay, so now I'm just like creating this light, creating different shades of light on my face. I don't know if you guys can see that. Take my contour color and go back, or my darker color, and go back in and just blend those together.
Okay, let's speed this up, shall we?
My fluffy brush, that's what we'll say. Just go back in with fluffy brush. So you see how I use like 3 different shades for my face as opposed to trying to use a foundation, one color of foundation to cover my whole face. I just use 3 different shades for my face, and I learned this technique from Danessa Myricks, but I also really like this technique, so I'm going to actually add it to my routine. Because I really like it, because I don't like wearing a whole bunch of foundation. Even though this seems like a lot, it's really not, because I concentrate it, and then I have like oils mixed in with it. I mix the moisture, I have my regimen, my normal regimen that I do, and then I have my beauty oil mixed in with this color to provide more so that it's not so concentrated.
Yes, like this. Something like this to dust on powder.
Eventually.
Yes, glow. Yes. I'm glowing. Glow motion fire. Glow motion fire. Glow motion. I am here for the skin, guys. Just know. You want your skin to look beautiful, flawless, and luminous, then you need to be booking this girl right here. Not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. She cute or whatever.